Yeah. Thank you, no. Then you go alright, you know, so from good day when I left you, we look out for you.
I'm glad we meet you also.
Yeah.
Because I say we're
God make we run up in now. I mean, I tell my friend, I say something have to be calm.
Yeah.
After the man said, good afternoon,
Yeah, you know.
and greet your good.
Yeah, you know.
So, this is what I have to say.
Yep.
And me make she stop me and says, no man, tap.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And
Yep.
sometimes we too ignorant, you know.
Mm-hmm. Or your son-in-law. And you have to
Me
food them.
need it, but for me know why me go,
I
me
say
now
this
go.
some
You
water
understand?
them water there. Make sure you say you drink them.
Yeah, man, she always
Yeah,
buy
because
her
I know say you
water.
want water for drink. I
Yeah,
think.
understand.
Mm.
Alright.
You know how to do them. You know where you want to do and all you want to do.
Yes.
But you get every little thing in the way you can
Take care of your little
yeah,
self,
serve for a couple of days, you know, at least.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man.
Thank you.
Pick up, man.
You are welcome.
Alright, can you come? Next time I'm not at the hand. Because some people will give you some stuff. Come. I just send, come give me a message to me, remember you. I miss Wednesday, me never there Wednesday. Me gonna about told me some stuff you want all lady. When me get up some food, so me say back there, me know. So me have to take 2 bags and I feel like say me greedy, but I
Good afternoon.
It's nice young lady come with 2 little stuff.
Yes, from Boundless Vision Tours, our guest said that we should use the money and help you guys. Yes.
So we have stuff here for you, Indian.
Water.
We just have to start.
These waters, make sure to drink them.
Yes,
Yes,
you
drink.
get big water and small water, right?
Yeah.
So you get flour, you get rice. So we carry to the old people and coming out how we always get.
Thank you.
Yeah. We meet them people here on the road and ask we say, we assist them. So this is Miss Fine. Them are people, you know, we always outside. So we are looking for people them now outside. Alright.
The good Empress.
Alright, they don't have much things, I must like food and it's the feed. So if they have more things when you come back or if you can ask for the guests like the kids stuff, yeah, for the kids then pampers and then something there, you know, tie, clothes, any little thing.
I'm gonna get some clothes.
Yes.
But next month I get them.
You know, really, yeah, it's better for the Christmas. Then we start out
Nice
for
clothes
Christmas.
too. Nice
Yes.
Don't fuck with them, man.
No, no more weed in that car. Hello. The house on my front, this up. Now forget.
There's a mother. Put them out of them bed.
Yes, man. Yes,
And,
man.
and take them out of hospital,
man,
take them out
yep,
of Taurus,
yep.
and when time comes for people them get help,
Yes,
nobody no remember
yes.
them. Whether that JLP or PMP, it goes to 2 of
And I
them.
lie, I tell you.
It goes to 2 of them.
And people like myself who real and truly care
Yes.
always come. I don't lie.
Good morning, afternoon, Mama. You see these people
Open nice
looking,
Empress. Yeah, man, so.
you also live so far. I know you can't come down after here. No. You can't manage.
Yes, on behalf of Boundless Vision Tours and my guests, some people who never come to Jamaica before, never, them send things for you because them say them love Jamaica and we mash up. So, yeah.
Every day.
So on behalf of them people and we,
Yes.
we are give some care package where you can serve a couple of days
Might not much,
and your
but
family. Yes. Sorry.
And see water here and some small water.
Toothbrush, toothpaste,
Wipes,
every
every
little
little
thing.
shampoo,
Wipes, every little thing.
condition, every little thing.
Yes, my dear.
Alright, mama.
Yes, dear.
What is it?
Remember, you know, remember, so when me baby father so bust me backside, me so run, come and you say, yes. We rescue. So me have to come at you, mama. Me have to come at you, because you used to be my rescue. Let me used to get licking on my backside.
So what is your name?
I see that.
Alright, I'm Oliver.
Oliver.
Yes, man. Nice to meet you. You know?
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. What?
Bruno?
I hear that, man. But we have some everything.
Everything, paper, everything, bono.
Everything. Papers, everything.
Up in store, fridge, everything, bono.
So, how you gonna cook? Because we have some food for you.
Right, alright, that's what I'm doing.
Oh.
Right, that's what I'm doing. Bed, everything, bono. But, don't get bed.
But still, on behalf of Boundless Vision Tours and my guests, them, some donors who never been to Jamaica before, they send some things, some care package, but them two beautiful young lady there, I help her carry on and show who really and truly need it. Them not get nothing, you know. And them are give people like you. So we have to give thanks for them as well. Yeah, man, because them could have said them take and them really get them. But you have to give thanks to them, and I have to remember them young girl that took it. Yeah, man, can I see it? I'm care for you. Yeah, man. Can I manage it? Sure. Yeah, man. Alright, I'm boss. Sorry, boy, you was there. Walk on that side. Sorry, boy, you was.
When I come back, I want one bed, I want two brothers, two on mattress. That's right. That's why I come out. So I come ready to take care of it.
Yeah, so please, you know?
Yes. So we're giving back something.
I need some money now. We want everything
Then I'm private people.
private people.
Yeah, my son, when the two then do both business and invest in them things to come to people. Yeah. So we take them to the elderly people. Right.
What this just a start, you know?
Yeah.
So when we do this now, then you do one and then you can see the thing, and then you can say, okay, alright, then we so,
Mom!
that is good.
Yeah, man. Little, yeah, man. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Give thanks again.
And give thanks to them young ladies too.
Yeah.
That's it, they remember you.
Yeah,
man, they remember you, man.
You're not a do it to them.
No,
I feel them places where they party and
Yes, I hear so. When we come here, so no police trouble. So it's the bad father Benji. Yes. That's what we say. I take care of what did you? In my shop, I say shop rice.
Energy?
You're right, and I work.
I'm born too.